About 3 or more catalytic converters a day are cut off of cars in Albuquerque, and nearly all of them are illegally transacted by thieves to convert this metal into cash. On April 10th, Jiffy Lube actually started to etch the VIN numbers into catalytic converters and put high heat visible paint to deter theft from these types of devices being cut off of vehicles and sold to metal shops to earn illicit money.
My name is Richard Jones. I'm the president and CEO of Lubricar Inc. We are the Jiffy Lube franchisee in New Mexico. We are driven to make lives easier. And by that, what I mean is we try to do everything we can to make a life easier for our customers and for New Mexico.
This program, started by Jiffy Lube and partnered, will allow anyone that drives up to a Jiffy Lube, you do not have to be a paying customer, wait about 3 to 5 minutes and Jiffy Lube will lift your car up, etch part of your VIN on there, and put this high visible paint on there.
We want to etch every available catalytic converter that we can. We will do this for free without cost or obligation for our customers and for non-customers.
What this is hopefully will do is deter thieves once they see the paint from stealing the converter, and if they decide to steal it and take it to a metal recycler, police will be able to identify that device, know exactly what car it came from, and conduct a criminal investigation if necessary. If you're out there stealing these catalytic converters, or you're buying them and you know they are stolen, you're going to be getting a visit from police very soon.